If you've ever faced the frustration of a zipper that simply won't close, you know how annoying it can be. Zippers are essential for keeping things secure, whether it's your jacket, bag, or any other item that relies on them. But when a zipper refuses to cooperate, it can leave you stuck in a difficult situation. So if you're wondering how to fix a zipper that won't close, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the problem yourself. Let's walk through some simple solutions that can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. 1. Check for dirt and debris. The first and easiest step in answering how to fix a zipper that won't close is to inspect the zipper carefully for any dirt, dust, or other debris that may have accumulated between the teeth. Zippers are often exposed to various elements, and over time, small particles can get stuck in the teeth, causing the zipper to jam or prevent it from closing properly, whether it's lint, fabric fibers, or dirt from the environment. These particles can obstruct the teeth and hinder smooth operation. To clean the zipper, use a soft toothbrush or a small brush with gentle bristles. Gently scrub along both sides of the zipper teeth to remove any dirt or debris. Make sure you reach into the grooves and areas where particles may have settled. If necessary, use a small amount of water or a cleaning solution, like mild soap and water to clean the zipper. Be sure not to soak the zipper, as excess moisture can damage the fabric. Once clean, let the zipper dry completely before attempting to close it again. After cleaning, test the zipper by gently pulling it up and down. If the zipper now functions properly, you've successfully answered how to fix a zipper that won't close without needing to do anything else. 2. Inspect the slider. Another common reason a zipper won't close is a damaged or malfunctioning slider. The slider is the part of the zipper that moves up and down to close or open the teeth. When the slider is loose, bent, or broken, it can prevent the zipper from closing properly. If you're dealing with a zipper that won't close, this is the next step in understanding how to fix a zipper that won't close. Start by inspecting the slider closely. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks, chips, or bent parts. Check if the slider is loose. A loose slider might not engage the zipper teeth properly, making it difficult to close. In some cases, the slider may appear fine, but the gap between the top and bottom parts of the slider might be too wide, preventing it from gripping the teeth effectively. If the slider seems misaligned or too loose, you can use a pair of pliers to gently squeeze the slider. Be sure to apply even pressure on both sides of the slider to avoid causing further damage. The goal is to tighten the slider just enough so that it will hold the zipper teeth together securely. Be careful not to squeeze too hard, as this can cause the slider to become too tight, making it difficult to move. After adjusting the slider, test the zipper by running it up and down. If this resolves the issue, you've found one answer to how to fix a zipper that won't close. 3. Realign the zipper teeth. If cleaning the zipper and adjusting the slider didn't fix the problem, the issue may lie with the zipper teeth themselves. Misaligned teeth are one of the most common reasons for a zipper not closing properly. If the teeth aren't properly aligned, the slider won't be able to engage them properly, and the zipper will split or get stuck. This can be especially frustrating when you're trying to zip up an item, but it keeps getting stuck in one spot. To fix this, carefully examine the zipper teeth. Look for any teeth that may be out of alignment, bent, or damaged. Gently run your fingers along the zipper to feel for any areas where the teeth don't line up properly. In most cases, the misalignment can be resolved by simply realigning the teeth. If you notice any teeth that are bent or out of place, you can use a pair of needle nose pliers to carefully straighten them. Be sure to do this slowly and gently to avoid breaking the teeth or causing further damage. If the teeth are particularly damaged, you may need to replace a few of them. Zipper repair kits often include replacement teeth, which can be added to the zipper to restore its functionality. If the damage is widespread and severe, it might be necessary to replace the entire zipper. Once the teeth are properly aligned, run the zipper up and down to ensure that it moves smoothly and closes correctly. If this fixes the issue, you've successfully answered how to fix a zipper that won't close without needing to replace the entire zipper. 4. Lubricate the zipper. Sometimes the zipper teeth may be properly aligned, and the slider might seem fine, but the zipper still refuses to close. In these cases, it could be that friction is preventing the slider from moving smoothly along the zipper teeth. Zipper friction is often caused by a lack of lubrication. When the zipper is dry, it can become difficult to move, causing the zipper to jam or split. One way to resolve this issue is by lubricating the zipper. There are a variety of products available specifically for zipper lubrication, such as zipper wax or silicone spray. If you don't have access to these products, you can use household items like a bar of soap, a candle, or even a bit of petroleum jelly. Apply the lubricant carefully to both sides of the zipper teeth, making sure it's evenly distributed. Then, Zip and unzip the zipper a few times to spread the lubricant throughout the teeth. Lubricating the zipper can reduce friction and help the slider glide smoothly along the teeth. This is an essential step in answering how to fix a zipper that won't close when friction is the cause of the problem. After lubricating, test the zipper to see if it now functions properly. If it does, you've solved the issue without needing to do anything else. 5. Replace the slider or zipper. If none of the previous steps have worked and the zipper still won't close, it might be time to replace the slider or even the entire zipper. Sometimes zippers become so damaged that no amount of cleaning, tightening, or lubrication can fix the problem. In these cases, replacing the slider or the zipper is the only way to restore functionality. To replace the slider, you can purchase a zipper repair kit, which includes a variety of sliders and zipper stops. First, remove the top or bottom stops of the zipper using pliers. Then, slide off the damaged slider and replace it with a new one. Make sure the new slider is the correct size and material for your zipper. After replacing the slider, test the zipper to see if it now closes properly. If the slider replacement doesn't solve the issue, you may need to replace the entire zipper. Replacing the zipper may seem like a big job, but it's a relatively straightforward process. You can either do this yourself by purchasing a new zipper and sewing it into place, or you can take the item to a professional tailor for replacement. Either way, replacing the zipper is a surefire way to solve the issue of how to fix a zipper that won't close if all else fails. Final thoughts. Zippers are one of the most convenient and efficient fastening devices, but when they fail, they can cause a lot of frustration. Fortunately, there are several methods you can use to fix a zipper that won't close. Whether you're dealing with dirt and debris, a damaged slider, misaligned teeth, or friction, there's likely a simple fix that will restore your zipper to full functionality. If all else fails, replacing the slider or zipper is the ultimate solution. By following these steps, you can answer how to fix a zipper that won't close and get your zipper working again in no time.